Hi guys, how you all doing? Let's talk brandy sauce. Simple, easy to make. All it is basically is a white roux. The same as you would start for a lasagna or anything. So you start your roux, your butter and your flour, cook it down, add your milk, add some sugar, add the brandy sauce. Let's make it. Okay, so let's get a pan on. About low to medium. And then we want to put in our butter. So get our butter going, melt it down nice and gently in the pan, and as soon as the butter's melted, in with our all-purpose flour. Now what we need to do is keep stirring this. We don't want any lumps in it. We make it nice and smooth and cook out the rawness of the flour. So easy, so simple. Just keep it moving and the flour will cook out nicely with no lumps. It's just so smooth. So when we've cooked out the rawness of the flour, then we want to start adding the milk. A little bit at a time, stir it in, keep it smooth. We don't want lumps in this sauce. Now, what we need to do now is actually change to a whisk. It's just easier to use a whisk with the milk to help it thicken up. So keep whisking and you will actually feel the texture of the milk change as it thickens. Okay, in with our sugar. Keep stirring. We need to dissolve this in our milk mixture. We don't want any of this sticking. So after a couple of minutes of just stirring around nice and gently, our sauce will be so smooth. You start to thicken up nicely, but it's not quite thick enough yet. We need to take the sauce to a little bit thicker consistency than you would actually like to eat, because we will be adding our brandy. And obviously that would water it down a little bit. So as soon as you think that it's a little bit thicker than you would like, turn off the heat and put in 4 or 5 tablespoons of brandy. That's up to you. And then what we need to do is whisk it all in so we have a nice smooth brandy sauce. And that's it, that's our brandy sauce made. So simple, so easy, and absolutely amazing. So serve it up into a little jug. Actually, we'll give this a taste test. Oh wow, amazing. So easy, so simple, so straightforward. Perfect brandy sauce every time. Merry Christmas.